In this video, we will learn how to delete YouTube search history on any device like PC or Mac, Android, iOS. So let's begin. So first we would go with the PC. The process is same for PC or Mac. For that, just go and open your browser, and here just go to your youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account on youtube.com. Here you can see I am logged in with my account, and here just go and click on history on the left. And in case if you have any history, I have already cleared it. So in case if you have any history, there is a cross icon here, you can just go and close it. And in case if you want to clear all the history, just go and click on this clear all watch history. I have already turned off saving the history, so there is no history. So here you can see I can turn it on again. So in your case, if you have want to clear the history, just go and click on clear all watch history. So now we would move on to iOS or iPhone. So to clear search history on iPhone or iOS, it is really simple. Just go and open your YouTube app. So here we are. Now make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now go and tap on this account icon at the right top corner. Once you tap on it, now tap on settings. And here we are. Now scroll down below. And here we have history and privacy. Now tap on clear watch history and we have clear search history. So I would first go and clear my search history. Tap on clear search history. Now tap on clear watch history. Now tap on clear watch history. So we have successfully cleared the history, that is a watch history as well as a search history on iPhone or iOS for YouTube. Now we would move on to Android.
Now coming forward to Android, it is for deleting the history on YouTube. It is really simple. Just go and open your YouTube app. So here we are, and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now tap on this account icon at the right top corner. Now scroll down below and tap on settings. Now tap on history and privacy. And here you can see two options, clear watch history as well as clear search history. So you can clear the search history as well as clear the watch history. So the both things have been cleared on Android, and hope these series of videos of clearing the history on Android, PC or Mac or iPhone or iOS has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.